Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing Stitch from the new movie. I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys find it easy and fun, so come join us. Alright everyone, let's get started with Stitch. I am super excited. For the new movie. We can't wait to go see it. So let's start. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw Stitch's head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a big curve that's like a rainbow. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to come up and then I'm going to start curving it and I'm going to curve it all the way almost to the same point. So I'm going to come across just so I see where I'm going to stop, and I'm just going to curve it and I'm going to make a rainbow. This is my rainbow. There I have my rainbow. Boom. And then we're going to draw the bottom of the head, and from here I'm just going to make a curve line that connects it. Almost like a smiley face to finish it. So here's this first curve. It's gonna go flat like this. And then I'm gonna make the curve here to connect it. There we have Stitch's head. And then from there we could draw the details of Stitch's face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the eyes, and the eyes are gonna be two ovals that are connected to the side of his face. So I'm gonna draw the first part, which is the eye, right? The outside of the eye. And I'm going to draw a big oval that's connected to the side of the face, and I'm just going to connect it here. So there I have an oval, and it's like an oval to the side. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Then we're going to draw another oval inside of the eye, and this oval is going to look like an egg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here, and it's just going to be in the middle. I'm going to draw an oval that kind of looks like an egg. I'm gonna come here. There's one, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And then what I'm gonna do is I have a thinner marker, and I'm just gonna use it just so it doesn't all look the same size. And then we're gonna draw the details of his eyes. So we're gonna draw his eyeball, and his eyeball is gonna be a circle. And I'm just gonna draw in the middle of the oval we just drew. Here's my circle. It's a good circle. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And then we're gonna draw two more smaller circles. So I'm gonna draw one in this corner here, and then I'm gonna draw one at the bottom here. These are just little details to his eyes. And we're gonna do the same thing we did to this eye to this eye. So there we have Stitch's eyes, and then we could continue with the rest of his face. So we're gonna draw his nose, and his nose is gonna be right in between his eyes, and it's an oval on its side. So it's gonna touch this eye, and it's just gonna be a big oval here. So let's draw that oval. Here's that oval, and the details in the oval is we're gonna draw a half circle here and a half circle here. So here's my half circle, here's my other half circle, and then we're gonna draw an oval inside the oval. So I'm just gonna draw an oval that's still horizontal, just right here as well. These are the little details of his nose. Then we could draw his mouth. So his mouth is two curves and then a swoop or a curved line that connects it. So I'm gonna make my curve here. It's just a curve. It kind of looks like a hook. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna make that little hook. And then I'm just gonna draw a curved line that dips down to connect it. So here it is. And I'm just gonna make a line that dips down that connects to this side.
Nice job.
That's his mouth, and then we could draw the rest of Stitch. So what we have left are his ears, which are like the coolest part, and then his body. So I kind of want to do his body first. And then what we're going to do for his body is we're going to draw a curved line, and it's not really that curved, but it just comes in a little bit. That's my curved line. And we're going to copy that line on this side. And then what I did is I left a little bit of space here from his head. I went in a little bit, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna come in a little bit, and I'm gonna make the same curved line. I'm gonna try to stop at the same spot.
Oh, that's nice.
Come down a little bit more. And then from here, I'm gonna draw two almost like rainbows again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come from this point, and I'm gonna curve it like this. Kind of looks like a rainbow, kind of looks like a frown. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna curve a line like that. And then we're gonna draw 2 circles right under this. So connected to these curved lines, I'm gonna draw 2 circles. But what we could do first actually is after this curve, I'm gonna draw a line that curves out the same way this one did. So I'm just gonna draw a line like this that curves out like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna draw a line that curves to the left. And then from here we could draw those circles just because we know we have that. I'm gonna draw the circle, and this circle is gonna be his foot. So here we are, we're gonna draw a circle that's attached to this part of his body. So I'm gonna draw a circle like this. And we won't finish it just because it's attached to the body, but we can pretend that it continues here. And I'll do the same thing on this side. I'll draw that circle. And then we could draw the bottom of his body, which is gonna be a curve like this that looks like a smiley face. I'll do the same thing on this side, just like a smiley face. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a mountain or a hill that comes up, down, and it connects to there. So we have Stitch's face and his body, and we could draw like the little details of his body. So what I'm gonna do is, this is his back feet and these are his front feet. So we could just draw like his legs coming down like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a curve, and this is gonna be like that. And then I'm gonna draw another curve that comes to this point. It touches like the mountain that we just made. There we have that. So it looks like he's like sitting on his butt and like he's just like laying down like that. And then we could draw the little details of this. So he has like fur here. So what we could do is I'm gonna make something that looks like a hook, like a fish hook. Just like this. It kind of looks like a fish hook. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. A fish hook that goes in this way. So we have 2 fish hooks. And then from these fish hooks, I'm gonna make loops that look like flower petals, or they look like the upside down letter, or it looks like the letter U, I'm sorry. It looks like the letter U. I'm gonna draw another one right here in the middle that looks like the letter U. I'm gonna draw another U that connects to the fish hook. That's like the fur in the middle of his chest. And then we could draw the details on his paws. So what we're gonna do is this same half circle that we drew, we're gonna draw one inside of this foot, just smaller. And I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna curve it and make that half circle. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this foot. And then we could draw his nails, like his little claws. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make something that looks like an upside down letter U or a hill. That's one. And then I'm gonna draw another one right here. And I'm gonna draw 2 more in this side. I'm gonna draw one here, and then I'm gonna draw one right here. Then I'm gonna do the same thing to this foot. So we have his nails, and then we're gonna do it to these feet. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna draw ovals instead. Instead of like little U's or rainbows, we're gonna draw ovals. So I'm gonna draw an oval right here. It's a small oval. And it's okay that it went through here because I'm gonna be coloring it in black. So you won't be able to tell once it's colored in. I'm gonna just draw 3 ovals here for his nails. And I'm gonna do the same 3 over here. So there we have his nails. Okay, and we're almost done with Stitch. I left the coolest part to do last, which are his ears. His ears are the coolest part. So we're gonna draw 2 big ears that connect to his face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna make a curve line that comes up from this part of his eye, like right under this line that we made. We could start here, and I'm gonna make a line that curves up like this. And then from this point, I'm gonna make a curve down, like a hill, and I'm gonna stop there. That's the start of his ear, and we could copy this same design on this side. So right from this point of this eye, we're gonna make a curved line up, just like this. And then from this point, I'm gonna make a curve going down, like a hill going down. So the ears are almost identical, or they're almost the same. He has like 2 holes in his ears, like 2 cuts in his ears, and they're usually like at different levels. So that's why I stopped there. And then this curve or this cut is a little higher than this one. So what I'm gonna do is, it's gonna look almost like an oval or like a floppy ear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come out a little bit more to the side, and then I'm gonna come in and make a curve in. It almost looks like a loop. Like if we were gonna continue making a lollipop or something. And then from this point, when I come in, we're gonna make like a point, and we're gonna come down as if we're making a triangle. So I come down like this. And what I'm gonna do is we're gonna pretend as if the ear continued and there was no cut in his ear. So I should meet this point. And I'm just gonna come here. And then from there, I'm gonna make a curve that comes in to right here. And there's gonna be a little gap here as if there was a triangle as well. So I'm just gonna make that curve. And it's just gonna be a wide curve that comes down. Wow. Like this. And then from here, we're gonna make a U. And I can make the U going this way or this way. And I'm just gonna come here just so you guys can see that it's like a letter U. And we connect that. That's one of his ears. And then we have this other ear. So this cut is higher than this cut. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down to about maybe like somewhere here. And then I'm gonna go in the same way. So I'm gonna come in with a curve and then make a triangle that comes back out to, let's pretend the ear continues to right here. So this is like a triangle and a cut in his ear. And then we're gonna curve down. And then we're just gonna make the letter U to connect this point to his face. And there we have his big floppy ears. I love his ears. His ears are the coolest part. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make the design in his ears, and then we're done. So what we could do is we can make a curve that connects to the side of his face from his ear, like this. And I'll do the same thing on this side. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect a point here, and I'm gonna make a line that curves just to the top of his ear. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. And there we have it. There we have Stitch. He looks so cool. Hopefully you guys found it easy.
Good job.
And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna color him in. So you could grab whatever marker, whatever color pencil, whatever crayon you have, anything you have, and you could do his original colors, or you could just be creative and pick whatever color you want. So stay tuned to see the final look. I'm super excited, guys. All right, guys, so there we have it. There we have Stitch. I love how it came out. I want to show you guys that I tried every single blue to get like the closest to Stitch's color, and I ended up picking these. But I used a different blue for his skin color, for his chest, for his mouth, for his eyes. I love it. I love how it came out. Also, like I said, these were like his legs because he's sitting on his back. So there's Stitch. I also forgot to show you guys how to do this hair. I'm so sorry, but I'll show you guys now. So what I did was, from the top of his head, I came up like a curve, and then I brought it in. I didn't connect it to the head yet because I made another loop down.
Amazing!
And then I copied almost that same design on the inside. So then I made this, from this curve, I continued the curve to a point, and then I made a U or a smiley face to the head. And there we have Stitch. So I hope you guys found it easy. I hope you guys found it fun. And I'm super excited for the new movie. So let me know what you guys think about that. And also guys, I want you guys to check out KK's Art Studio in Spanish, if that's also helpful. So thank you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.